friends, this video is episode 4 of how to make a face mask. As of now, I think most stores are running out of elastic and other supplies for making a face mask. So what you can do is, instead of using an elastic, just use any kind of string such as yarn and use it in place of the elastic. And here's what you can do. On this mask, I use a regular yarn, which is a medium weight 4 yarn that is handy because I also crochet. And you can use that in place of the elastic. And you do the same thing, thread it through the casing of the cloth face mask and tie it around the back of the head and the neck like this. And so you can still make a face mask even without the elastic, using any kind of string that is available around your house. Another tip that I want to do is to make sure that the inner side of the face mask, the one that's facing your skin, should always be worn inside, and the outer side should always be worn outside, like this one. This one is the lining is facing the skin, and the one with the design is facing the outside. This is to make sure that when you're in a hurry, you don't mistakenly wear the mask with the outside in, causing you to pick up the bacteria that the mask had already been exposed to. So another thing that I do for my safety is that after I wear the face mask, when I go outside, I toss my clothing, everything that I wear, my outerwear, including the face mask, I toss it on the dryer, set it for 10 minutes on heat, high heat, and run it for 10 minutes. And then I can wear them again. This keeps you from having to wash the face mask each time you wear it outside your house. Anyway, be safe, my friends, and God bless you all. Thank you.